Looking forward to some drier weather today after getting too much rain too fast in a district yesterday.
Well, the good news is we are no longer under a weather watch alert today, but on Monday, the storms, they had our weather watchers quite busy. They were sharing photos and videos with us. Look at those flooded roads, all caused by heavy rain coming down so quickly, and many people also lost power from the high winds.
Devastating. I'm here in the Weather Center with meteorologist Caitlin McGrath. And how much rain did we see and what can we expect today, if anything?
Yeah, the biggest issue yesterday was just those impressive rainfall rates, 1 to 2 inches of rain per hour that led to that flash flooding in areas that we know flood in events like this. That's why these infrastructure changes need to be made, because we're only going to see more and more downpours like this. But I'll give you a look at some of our radar estimated totals from yesterday, and it really was in and around the district where we saw the most impressive rain when all was said and done. But everyone, you can see, got a little something. But we'll zoom in closer where you see that shading of blue for DC down into parts of Fairfax, Prince George's County. That's a radar estimated 1 to 2 inches of rain. And keep in mind, that fell in an incredibly short period of time. Back into parts of Prince George's County around Bowie, that shading of magenta, that's a radar estimated 2 to 3 inches of rain. And as we head throughout the day today, we once again run the risk for some more downpours. So all of those local rivers and streams that overflowed yesterday are still relatively high and could do just that. But the good news is storms much more scattered than yesterday. Not everyone will see a storm. The timing starts around 2 or 3 o'clock this afternoon, goes until 7 p.m. So a tighter window for storm activity this afternoon as well. Biggest threats will be those pockets of locally heavy rain. Also going to watch for some gusty wind and small hail, but the risk for severe weather much lower than what we were talking about this time yesterday. But just know during the evening commute, your evening ride might be impacted and some plans may need to be altered this afternoon. I'm going to take you hour by hour through all of the rain and storm chances this afternoon coming up in just about 5 minutes. But